Hello, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Now, today we are discussing about the motivation and entrepreneurship. Motivation and entrepreneurship. Without motivation, nothing is to be possible in this world. If you are not motivated. चलिए हम लोग पास्ट की बात करते हैं. व्हाट हम कोई भी काम करना क्यों चाहते हैं? बिकॉज देयर सर्टेन थिंग्स कि अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. सेम थिंग इन द टर्म्स ऑफ द मोटिवेशन, इन द टर्म्स ऑफ द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट. Entrepreneurship is basically a complete unit which is to be stabilized by an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who has risk-bearing capacity with leadership skills. He want to do something for himself, number one. Second, for his associates. What are the employees? If someone is to be associated. And third thing is for our society. Now, why, if I am an entrepreneur, why I have to start any unit? Why not we go for the service? You can say we want to stabilize the unit because there are certain principle was there. We have already discussed about one concept regarding the AI. It is known as achievement imaginary. We want to do something for us, for society, for this. So if we are to come down with the motivation theory, we have already studied in the human resource part, that is Maslow's theory, Heisenberg's theory, this type of theory we have already studied. In this, we are just discussing the things in a very brief way, but we have to come down from where a entrepreneur is motivated. So I will just give down a mixture of that theories here. So in this, we have already discussed of the Maslow need hierarchy theory. That is Maslow, you know the thing. And there is a two factors analysis. It is by Herzberg. Two factor analysis and the need hierarchy theory. This type of things. Now, and ERG theory we have already discussed in Erford. ERG. So we have. So Alderfer has given this ERG theory. Now we will discuss today all mixture of that propounded by McClelland. So in this we have to discuss about the theory of McClelland. Theory of McClelland, who were regarded as the father of study of entrepreneurial motivation. Father of study of entrepreneurial motivation. So who is the father of entrepreneurial motivation? McClelland. So in this theory, he just emulsified each and everything and given a very good word, that is manifest. Manifest. So McClelland has given the manifest theory. Now we will discuss about this manifest. Because manifest, you can say down, this is the amalgamation with that, and manifest need theory of entrepreneurship. So he has given three things in his theory, McClelland. Three things. Why a person start any unit or start do the process of entrepreneurship, and why the person is motivated to start any unit. He knows three things is to be there. First is need for, we just put down need for and need for. Because बिना नीड के आदमी कुछ करेगा नहीं. जब तक भूख लगेगी नहीं लगेगी खाना नहीं खाएंगे, और खाने के पैसे नहीं है तो कुछ काम करेंगे क्योंकि हमें खाना खाना है। सिंपल। तो लोग पहली बात करते हैं नीड फॉर पावर। नीड फॉर पावर। सेकंड थिंग क्या होगी? टेल मी। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस थिंग दैट मैकलेलैंड एंड अदर थ्योरीज टू बी देयर। नीड फॉर एफिलिएशन। This theory was already introducing because we have already done the Heisenberg two factor theory and need hierarchy theory we have already told. So I have just told you this is the amalgamation of that. And third thing is need for achievement. So this theory is given by again repeat. Remember always he is the father of that. Who is MacLean? Why I am remembering this? Because certain times this type of question will come down. Ki who is the father of motivational theory, entrepreneurial power? So you should be remember that MacLean is the father of that. He has given manifest theory, manifest need theory. In this manifest theory, he justifies the three things, that is need for achievement, need for power and need for affiliation. So now we will discuss one by one accordingly, and whenever we have to put down, you can put down N power and PO. Generally we are using N PO, N ARC arch and N affiliation. Generally in the literature you are seeing this type of word will be there, but here because you are in the field of management, a management person should know what is the small form and what is the full form. Whether you are writing some small form, this not be a problem, but you should know what is the small form. And so when we have discussed about the need for power, if a man speculates about who is boss, he has a concern his power. This thing is noted by MacLean. Need for power, in effect, is the concern for influencing people. Concern for influencing people. Concern for influencing people. How we have to influence them, or the behavior of others for moving in the chosen directions and attaining the envisioned objectives. In common perceptions, politicians, socialism leaders, chief executive officers, and government bureaucrats, civil servants, these are the need for power. They need to. After seeing this type of power, because now, why we want to become entrepreneur, we are seeing Dhirubhai, the Anil Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani, and even some good businessmen in Lucknow and others. They have started a unit, everyone recognize the thing, even they have a lot people's followers. So regarding this power, we want to do something, we want to stabilize something, and this stabilizing process, because position, power is to be there. If I am in this position, I can do this thing is to be there. That's why a person is interested to do something his own. Generally, you would appreciate that the process of founding a business, one has to win the commitment of capital providers, suppliers, equipments, materials, or the employers and the customers. These are the aspects to be there. If anything like movies बनती है, उसमें government supply नहीं है funding की, other parties to be come down, they have to supply the units to be there. That's why later on, if an actor, if a hero or heroine, they also enter in the same profession is to be there, become as a producer when they have amount, because to become a producer they get more and more profitability in this business is to be there as the thing is going on. The first is to be a need for power, theory is given by MacLean. Then second is need for affiliation. If a man readily think about interpersonal relationships, he should be affiliated. We are a common person is to be there. He has a concern for affiliation. It implies among those things, that means a tendency of the people to confer to the wishes and norms of those they values. We have to affiliate. The main thing is to be there. In the social activities, predominantly driven by these needs to be there. If you want to run any type of NGO as per our entrepreneurship process is to be there, we should be in this technique is to be there. In certain cultures, family comprises the background of the successful career of the built. One word, as if, not for personal gratitude is to be, but for the family, desire to carry on the tradition of business in the family and the community to which one belongs, may be interpreted and reflecting the need of affiliation. Because until unless you are not affiliating capabilities to be there, no one will listen to you. And if you want to do something by your own, and you are the first generation of entrepreneur, I already told you earlier this to be there, first generation, you will start the business. No, not a single family member is to be there in the business. You have to start your own business. That's why for the establishing business, you need this type of, because now the thing is, marketing is totally different. Now they have to convert it into the relationship marketing. Because social media emphasizes on this also. So in this, now in the present country, relationship marketing, we need the social affiliations. We have to attach with others by which they have just influenced, I have just influenced the persons to be there, and then accordingly we have to set the rules. One can certainly trace some elements of affiliation in such incidences, and some industries are particularly suitable for person with high need for affiliation and having linguistic competencies, empathy and concern for implies any type of things. Like if you want to establish any type of general merchant की दुकान जैसे कहते हैं, उसको आप खोल रहे हैं, तो if you have affiliation units to be there, आपके लोगों से concern अच्छे हैं, you can be good there. Tours and travels, leisure company, this type of things is very effective is to be there. So this type, because for the motivation, why the motivation is to be there, how the person is to be start any business to be there. If this type of contact they have, एक कोई भी हमारे एरिया में कॉर्पोरेटर कैसे बनते हैं, सभासद होते हैं जब यहाँ, क्योंकि वो जब ये देखते हैं कि उनको फॉलो करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग हो गए हैं, तो उनके मन में एक इच्छा होती है कि नाउ ये इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स होते हैं, प्लस पावर अच्छी होती है, सो रिगार्ड द पावर ऑफ दैट they have to consult. We have to consult with the affiliation. Now, third thing is need for achievement. In the need for achievement, entrepreneurial behavior is so much likely attributed to this need that one may just stop short of the taking entrepreneurial motivation and achievement motivation as synonyms. Need for achievement concerns issues of excellence, competitions, changing goals and overcoming difficulties. A complete achievement sequence would comprise defining the problem, wanting to solve it, thinking of means to solving it, thinking of difficulties that get in the way of solving it. So in this, need for affiliation is to be there, need of power was there, need of it. Now, besides this, if you have to come down these things in the, we already told you that manifest theory of the entrepreneurship is the father of that, and I already told you that this theory is very much similar with the Maslow theory. Everyone knows about the Maslow theory. Maslow is basically a theory dealing with the pyramid. We have divided both needs, lower order need and higher order need. Lower order need, sleep, sona, jagna, bhook, pyas, sex. These are basically the lower order needs by which the man can survive to be there. But if this is only the lower order need exists in the world, not a single person will do the work, because now the condition will be changed. We are feeling thirsty, but we don't drink water nowadays. I am telling you, previously this condition, we want to drink soft drink. So condition will change. For the soft drinks, you need money, you need affiliation to be there. So when we are telling about the motivation part of that entrepreneurship, because entrepreneurship you need certain steps, certain things. Why you have to do these things to be there? Because ultimately, unless you have not that type of desire, that type of burning desire, you cannot survive in this competitive world of that. So whenever we are discussing about the Maslow theory, whenever Heisenberg theory, MacLean theory, this type of theory, in every theory, this thing is propounded, and they have already concerned that, because in this theory there are three things. I can just give an example of that. Then three things is to be there: MacLean theory, motivation theory, जितने भी अगर आपने सुने होंगे, आई हैव टू लिसन द स्टोरीज टू बी देयर, लाइक शहनाज हुसैन, जब इन्होंने बिजनेस शुरू किया तो इनके पास कुछ नहीं था, इन्होंने धीमे धीमे शायद मैरिज के बाद अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया था, और बहुत छोटे से इन्होंने धीमे 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 हर्बल इंडस्ट्री में अपना नाम कमाया, और बिकॉज ही वांट टू, उनकी नीड क्या थी, शी वांट टू नीड फॉर अचीवमेंट इज लेटर, and later on when the things can be achieved, then think power can be come down. It is not necessary whatever the person is to be there, what he want to need. May be possible first हमारी stage ये हो, second ये हो, and third ये हो. Or may be possible we have each and every money is to be there, like we have the achievement, we have already stabilized a small unit is to be there, then after we have to restructure the things, so अब now we have to need of power. May be possible हमारे लिए ये चीज जरूरत पड़ जाए. So MacLean theory clearly defined that how we have motivated in this surroundings to stabilize any type of entrepreneurship development. Maybe because need for power, need for affiliations, and need for achievement is the three prime consideration in that. Or in this consideration theories, we can say that achievement motives, achievement imaginary, कुछ करने की प्रेरणा, whatever. How the things is, may be possible we have seen in our society that we have developed a good businessman और he has बहुत अच्छा कुछ है उसके पास, तो हमारे मन में भी इच्छा लगेगी कि यार जब उसके पास इतना कुछ है तो हमारे पास भी होना चाहिए और हम भी कर सकते हैं, because we have the knowledge and skills both, and by other means of these the government initiatives and other problems we can get on the things history. So in this need of power we have to start. Then if we have a social background was there, our background was there, so we can be stabilized accordingly. So if this need for affiliation is to be there, definitely we can be carry on of that. And the main thing is to be there, whatever entrepreneurship development is to be, we should be, according to a person, need for affiliation, would we want to be personal responsibility. We have to develop day by day, we have to brush up day by day, ultimate unless. Even this in the research shows that MacLean also derived three things, because MacLean research methodology sought to identify the dominant need through projective techniques. We would be say that because there are certain things is to be there, like example, quest for respectable, growth oriented, challenging, job career, these are the certain words is to be which is to be used on. And even though if we can just down, because overall things are need for autonomy. Remember this thing. ये सब में नहीं होता. Need for autonomy, मैं कुछ हूं और ये हमारा साम्राज्य कुछ है. This is the autonomy. The need for autonomy is a desire for independence, which in fact becomes a desire to do work for one's choice and at one's pace, defining one's own rule of the game, taking initiatives, making independent and innovative choice, and bring responsible and accountable to oneself rather than some external authorities. So MacLean theory is to be very, very clear is to be there regarding this progress, regarding this thing. We have to do each and everything is to be there, because when we have to put down a child and we have to put down a chart, it's simple. I have to just put down, because last I'm just concluding the session. In this concluding session, you can just pick what I told you that what an art. Second thing, and affiliation. Third thing, what third thing is to be? Power, need for power and power. So if we have the characters of thinking, deciding and acting, then we can develop this entrepreneurship. In the terms of author affiliations, definitely we have the warm desire. Then we have the competitiveness. and we have the fellow followers. So definitely we have desire will come down again entrepreneurship. And if the power of the other, that means I have the leadership qualities, and again control and directions, definitely we can be start with the entrepreneurship. So in this last, I can just say down that if we have this type of affiliations, this type of knowledge, this type of appreciation to be there, so definitely we can be motivated and stabilize a well done and very good unit for the entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneur is the prime word, and entrepreneur has this type of qualities to be there. Definitely he will develop a good sense of peace to be there in this competitive world. Modern concept of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Basically, nothing is to be changed. Whatever the new, whatever the old, each and everything is still the same thing is to be there. But this is the time of mutation. जो आज है वो कल नहीं, जो कल होगा वो अभी आगे नहीं. So we have to add on certain things. Like you have to go through this corona crisis. Corona is the virus in our system from last so many years, but day by day he becomes strengthened, become now it is to be converted into the COVID-19 like that. This is so in this entrepreneurship concept is now changed. Earlier the concept is to be there, earning the bread is known as entrepreneurship. We want to do something for my need, that's why I become the entrepreneur. Now the concept is little bit changed. In this concept, in the modern concept of entrepreneur or modern concept of entrepreneurship, there are certain things in this concept. The main earlier हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारे फोरफादर कहते थे, पुशअप करते थे, कुछ करो कुछ करो कुछ करो. नाउ कंडीशन विल बी चेंज्ड. ज्यादा प्रेस करेंगे और मैं उतना टेंशन नहीं झेल पाऊंगा तो मैं जाके सुसाइड कर लूंगा. ऐसे जैसे पेपर्स में आता है कई बार. इट्स नॉट कि सबकी वो टेंडेंसी होगी, बट हम ये चलते हैं कि शायद कुछ लोगों की वो टेंडेंसी आ जाए. सो नाउ द पेरेंट्स हैज चेंज्ड देयर व्यूज, देयर सराउंडिंग हैज चेंज्ड देयर व्यूज. दे वांट टू मोटिवेट देम कि यू शुड डू why. So in this process, in this entrepreneur, in this concept has to be there. The first phase is voluntary initiations. Voluntary initiation. Come down as per the concept of entrepreneurship. Because entrepreneurship is voluntary initiation of individuals of society. They conceive the business ideas, refine them, develop them, and translate them into industrial activities. It is the voluntary initiation of such people which cause economic development of a country. The economic development of a country is the second phase. First phase, economic development of our surrounding. Surrounding is our parents, myself, our six. So when this concept come down in our blood, in our system, we will start the units to be there. First thing. Second is balanced growth. Balanced growth. Second, if we have to go the planned way, definitely our unit will be go accordingly with good system. Like in product life cycle, introductory phase, growth phase, maturity phase, like that. Same thing we have to go through. Because in developing countries like India, there is regional imbalance in respect of economic development. All regions or parts of the country are not equally developed. For development of sub-regions, industrial development is a prime factor. So if we have to look after these things, industrial development is to be taken place, then entrepreneurship helps to achieve balanced regional imbalances by setting off small scale industries, village and cotton industries, this type of. So balanced growth can be carried out by the means of entrepreneur in the process of entrepreneurship. Third is capital formation. हर आदमी पैसे के लिए काम करता है और किसी के बहुत कोई ऐसा ही शायद होगा जिसको पैसे की जरूरत नहीं. बट हाउ मच मनी वी नीड something for us, something our association, or something for our societal benefit is to be there. So in the capital formation, entrepreneurship plays significant role in mobilizing savings of society towards industrial enterprises. The society invests the savings in the entrepreneurial activities. That's why the capital formation helps to exploit natural resources to create marketers to carry on the trade was there. So in this process, the capital formation, we have to stabilize this entrepreneurship, and this is the real concept, modern concept of entrepreneur for this development was there. Then self-employment. Self-employment. In a short visit, earlier when I was in Gujarat areas, used to be there, I see that entrepreneurship concept is very well versed there. तो मैंने कुछ लोगों से पूछा, भाई आप पढ़ते हैं, काम करते हैं, तो ये बताइए आप छोटा छोटा काम करते हैं तो ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया मुझे. कहते सर, if we have to look after the managerial processes to be there and managerial things to be there, तो सर हम अपनी यूनिट के खुद ओनर हैं, और जब हम खुद ओनर हैं तो इसकी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस की मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. दूसरा, मैं किसी का नौकर नहीं हूं. सो this is the thing is to be there, because self-employment give you that type of gesture by which I am something and I am in need of the society, like that. So in the self-employment, entrepreneurship facilitates self-employment. The enterprising people employ their physical and mental capabilities for their personal benefit. So this type. Then employment generation, everyone knows this thing is to be there as employment generation, because when you have to any entrepreneur stabilize any type of unit, he needs some people, not in a very initial stage, but maybe in the phase to be there. As the things will grow on, he needs some people, or by which an employment was there. So he is a very beneficial of that also. Then optimum utilization of natural resources. Optimum utilization. We have been know that we have to utilize the resources, but as per the entrepreneur, optimum utilization should be there. Optimum should be there. So 100%, whatever the things is to be there. Like अगर हम लोग बात करें, like optimum, what is optimum utilization? जैसे आप सबको नीम का पेड़ पता होगा. नीम का ऐसा पेड़ है कि इसका हर चीज किसी ना किसी चीज में यूज होता है, किसी भी प्रोसेस में. पत्तियां, लीव्स, बार्क, स्टेम, रूट, आप जब बिल्कुल सूख जाए तो आप उसको जला भी सकते हैं. सब भी कीड़े पतंगे, कीड़ा मकोड़ा, ये सभी चीजें यूज करनी. सेम थिंग, whatever the work is to be there, optimum utilization. In the absence of entrepreneurship, the factors of production like land, labor, money, etc. would remain dull or unused. Although entrepreneurship in the natural resources, the factors of production are assembled and put to use through business organizations. This type of characteristic there. Then next, variety of production and technology. In the entrepreneurial process was there. Entrepreneurship plays an important role in developing a variety of product and technologies. Because I already told you that entrepreneurs has now is very capacity with the knowledge and skills. If have this type of knowledge and skills they have to developing new product day by day. And this process of entrepreneurship, the varieties of production and technology can be come down. Then entrepreneurship is now the change agent. This change the system. Samay. It brings about change in prevailing socio-economic setup by conceiving and developing new ideas and putting them into the action. Then now, because things are towards the side of the globalization, we are ready to leave or expand our business from one place to other places to be. In this, entrepreneurship promotes a country's export trade, which is an important ingredient to economic development. The growing entrepreneurial activities in various sectors of economic improves the export and builds a favorable balance of trade. It explores market availability, improves quality and the product services. Then, that is you can say next point is to be there. That is quality enhancement through research and development, R&D. This is now modern concept is to be come down in the terms of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. In this R&D, entrepreneurship gives flip to research and development activities. The entrepreneur take effort in make their products capable to the needs of foreign markets. So now the scope is to be day by day increasing, and the entrepreneur can go up to the extraordinary industry. Then next, reduces the concentration of economic power. Earlier there were two things, वो एक आदमी के पास पैसा होता था, एक आदमी गरीब रहता था. Now as per the economic development goes on, as per the entrepreneurs is going on, in the process of entrepreneurship is to be developing day by day. This is the concentration of economic power is to be reduced, by which a few hand which is to be there. Then entrepreneurs from all societal areas to be coming down and undertake business activities and generate wealth. Then reduces the problem of brain drain. Brain drain reduces. Brain drain. हम जो सोचते हैं वो कर नहीं पाते, धीमे धीमे it is a natural tendency of the mind, हमारा mind weak होता चला जाता है. So if the best employment opportunities are not available in the home country, the talented people go abroad. पहले क्या होता था कि जो मैं बात कर रहा हूं अपनी समय की, इन द 90s वगैरह में ज्यादातर आईएएस और पीसीएस लोग कहते थे, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग एनी टाइप ऑफ ट्रूथ टू बी देयर, व्हाटएवर द मैथोलॉजिकल व्यूज और अदर व्यूज होते हैं, कि पहले केवल दो ही फील्ड होती थी, डॉक्टर्स या इंजीनियर्स. तो जो अच्छा ब्रेन होता था इंटर के बाद वो डॉक्टर्स इंजीनियर में चला जाता था, जो बचते थे वो बाकी जगह बीए बीएससी करते थे और कोचिंग करके आईएएस और पीसीएस बनते थे. नाउ आईएएस एंड पीसीएस व्हाटएवर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज यूज्ड टू बी देयर, दे आर द टॉप ब्रेन यूज्ड टू बी देयर. मेन ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट पॉलिसीज ये लोग बनाते हैं. उसमें आप सोचिए कि जो टॉप ब्रेन था वो, नाउ द कंडीशन विल बी चेंज आफ्टर द 10 years of time, around 1998 condition, top technocrats of this career as in civil services. Now conditions की डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज बढ़ने लगी, ब्रेन ड्रेन होना बचने लगा. So in this we have to go on, because the entrepreneurship provides scope for their talent in home countries, offers good remunerations nowadays. Then entrepreneurship brings social stability. This is the prime. Entrepreneurship achieves social stability for meeting the diverse demands of the society and ensuring regular supply of essential goods and services. The non-availability and non-supply of the essential goods and services may cause social unrest. And finally, in the 14 points, if you have to look after, that is economic development. If everything goes on in a as per planned way, our economy will definitely go how? Into economic. Entrepreneurship spells the difference between the prosperity and the poverty. Prosperity, upward. Poverty, हम जैसे हैं वैसे ही जिंदगी लेके काट लेंगे. This type of. So among the nations, the economic development of a country is quite impossible in the absence of entrepreneurship and the entrepreneur. Japan is the place where entrepreneurs have achieved success by hard work as well as imagination and ability. The same thing. The economic progress of USA and Western Europe also highlighted the significance of entrepreneurship. So, in the modern concept of entrepreneurship, if we have to look after, the condition will be little something very, very nice to be there. Because whatever, whether we have to talk about the economic development, whether we have to talk about the entrepreneurship bring social stability was there, or we can just look after the problems of brain drain, condition will be day by day reducing to be there. In the modern concept of entrepreneurship, as the new companies coming down, as the new values is to be coming down, and the new concept was coming down by the means of industrialization, industrial development, national policies, national values, the things are very, very upon. Even in the process of that, in the export promotion, day by day should be going on, and variety of production and technologies come down, and optimum utilization of natural resources carried out under self-employment generation, balanced growth, voluntary initiations, this type of concept when now in the process of entrepreneurship development. In this modern concept of entrepreneurship, each and every concept is very, very clear, and the values is already surrounding in that way or areas to be there. So whatever the concept, if you have to look after, earlier the concept of need, today is converted to the power with affiliation. Condition will be changed. Then earlier we need money, now we need smart money. Smart money means we want to utilize the money. Here we want to leave the money. But condition will change. Now the condition will day by day, something is totally changed to be there. In the modern concept, the utilization word come down. Utilization and optimum utilization, we can say. So, in this present situation, in the concluding values, whatever things to be there, because in the modern approach, if you have to look after, we have to look after the scientific approaches to be there. Earlier, in the entrepreneurship process, enterprise, we have to stabilize the enterprise, और उसी enterprise को हम लोग समय से चलाते रहते हैं और चलता ही जाता है. कभी हम diversification या बात नहीं करते. लखनऊ में भी हैं बहुत सारे. एक स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज की अगर बात करें हम, तो लखनऊ में एक बहुत फेमस खस्ते वाला है. जब तक उसके फोरफादर थे, फोरफादर मैंने हम ग्रैंडफादर की बात करें, ग्रैंडफादर he has run the same business was there. Then उसके जो फादर आए, उन्होंने भी सेम पैटर्न पे काम किया. Business is to be running down day by day चल रहा. Very अच्छा business. It's a nice business. But now when his son is to be coming down with the skills and knowledge, I already told you skills and knowledge. He is basically a technocrat. He has to come down. He told that whatever the business is coming down, it's fine. What else we can do down the things? Now he has to do diversification. Diversification in terms of he was prepare only the khasta. Now he has to prepare only a very good sweets. Ek diversified. New employees come down. Education on the employment. Unemployment हो गया. Then he has to stabilize something diversification. I already told you. Diversification is to be there in the terms export. Export in the terms of if he has to localize in certain areas, now he is to the second outlet in other place also. So in this modern concept, we have to look after the optimum utilization of resources with the growth phase. And if this concept was there, definitely we can enhance the values and traditions of the entrepreneurship what is to be coming down from the last so many years and from the initial point of view. So now I am just concluding. The session was there because in this modern approach we have definitely a good phase of life, and as a management scholars, as a management students, as a management fraternity, I have whatever this to be. Entrepreneur is really a good thing is to be. We should develop our entrepreneurial qualities, and by means of entrepreneurial qualities we should develop our entrepreneurship prospects to be there. Thanks.